Okay, so I arrived at it's the lake as well, but I went down the Eagle Falls Trail, or the Vikings home trail, and yeah, it's just a small hike. Tomorrow we're going skiing, and today we're just enjoying the nice weather at the lake. And I fly my drone here for a little bit and give you an impression of how it looks. So first time skiing or snowboarding again, like a long time.
Years in the George overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. But ain't nothing gonna stop me tonight. I just passed me a Jimmy and a white. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Oh my,
So it's Saturday. Unfortunately, I forgot my GoPro again, so no surf edits this time, but I'll try to make the perfect week with skiing, snowboarding, surfing, mountain biking, and hopefully motorcycle riding. So tomorrow for mountain biking I'll bring the GoPro, and for today I'll just have this short video, and I'll just post a screenshot of my surf session that I record on the watch, and see you guys after the surf. So this is the last day of the week. I finally get to go mountain biking after forgetting my gear first and having to go back and then get everything and coming back out here. This is the end of weekly diary. This was really an awesome week. I did, and I don't think I'll have a week like this ever again, with skiing, snowboarding, surfing, mountain biking, motorcycle riding, and being on a hike. I think that's a little much for doing it every week, so this week was really exceptional. But yeah, it was a fun week. The next weeks will be a little bit more chill, I would think. And yeah, I'm just stoked about this week and how great this week was. And hopefully I can continue like with surfing and mountain biking every week. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll head back home and finally edit the video and then call it a week.